Hey everyone, it's your girl Leila. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks if you are brand new to shopping on Dhgate, or if you have been shopping on Dhgate for a while now. I feel like I learn new things from these type of videos all the time from other YouTubers. So I'm going to be doing kind of like a guide on how to navigate the website / the app. Like hopefully you guys can learn new things about how to find certain items that you've been looking for. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, so the first tip I have, number 1 tip, is to download the app. So if you are navigating Dhgate from the website from on your computer, I feel like it's a little bit messy, it's a little bit hard to find things, and honestly that's how I started on Dhgate, was on my computer looking for stuff and I could never find anything. And honestly, when I first started looking on Dhgate, I was like, how do people find things? Like everything looks completely different. It was just really hard to navigate until I got the app. So get the app. That is my first piece of advice for you. It's gonna make your life so much easier. My next tip is that if you guys are looking for a particular item, say you type the item name into the app, you find what you're looking for and you're like, wait, there's no logo on it, it kind of looks weird, it looks blurry, it looks photoshopped. That's because it is. Legally, Dhgate cannot show you what the real item looks like. They have to blur out logos and stuff like that. So let's say you are looking for a Felicia pochette, right? And you find this one, but everything is blurred and it looks just like a plain pink bag. You can tell that it is the Felicia pochette based on how it looks. So it's gonna be like this exactly, but it's just not gonna have the logo on it. It is going to come like this. So if you guys are wondering like, oh, is it gonna come to me plain? Is it just gonna look like a Felicia pochette and not have any of the logos? Nothing like that. No, you're still gonna get it with the logos. Also, with that being said, you can ask sellers. There's a little tab you can message sellers on their listings. You can ask them for real photos of the item so they can send you exactly what you are getting. They also have, a lot of the sellers on there also have WhatsApp, so you can add them on WhatsApp and ask them for more photos if that's kind of the route you're looking for. If you're an avid WhatsApp user, you can definitely message them on WhatsApp and ask them for more photos of the item so you know exactly what you're getting. So my tip number 3 is to make sure you guys look at reviews. Make sure that reviews have photos. Now there is an exception to this rule because there is one particular seller, the one that I purchased my Lululemon stuff from. People post photo reviews on there, but the seller actually deletes the photo so their listing doesn't get deleted. It's a very, very popular place to buy Lululemon leggings. Like I feel like it's one of the top rated sellers on Dhgate, so their listings have tons of reviews, tons of orders. I'm pretty sure it's that they don't want to take the risk of getting their account deleted or their listing deleted, so they delete people's photos. So with that seller in particular, I kind of just, you know, I already know what to expect. I've already ordered from them before. They have amazing reviews. If you look at the reviews, they're all real people. I'll get into that in a second. They're all real people with real reviews on their ads, but there's just no pictures. So normally, if I am shopping for a purse or something like that, I normally don't purchase from sellers with no photo reviews. But yeah, that is my one exception. Again, look for real reviews from real people, a seller that has really good feedback, a seller that has a lot of orders on their listing. So if you are buying something that has like over 100 orders on it or like 50 orders or something like that, that's a lot of people that have purchased that item. That's a lot of people that have reviewed the item, hopefully, and that's a lot of people that have posted photos of the item, again, hopefully, and you can kind of see what you're getting and you kind of know what to expect. So make sure you guys are looking at reviews before purchasing anything. Please don't purchase something from a seller that has 0 orders, 0 reviews on the item and you're kind of just guessing and you just you find something because that's what you really want and it has no reviews, nothing like that, just hold out. Keep looking for the same item from somebody that has reviews and has photo reviews on their listing. Tip number 4. So this is gonna go back into looking at reviews. So a lot of listings on DHgate have fake reviews, and you can definitely tell that it's fake because normally they will be written on the same day and they'll all be from different countries, but they'll be the same review, the same wording. It'll just be like the person copied and pasted it, and it'll be like from France, from US, from Mexico, from Canada. They'll all be from different countries, but they will be the exact same review on the exact same day. Those are fake reviews. Don't buy that. Some listings have both. Some listings have fake reviews, but they also have real people reviews as well. Those people took the risk and still bought the item, and you know, they have a story to tell. So look at reviews very, very carefully. Also, you can tell a review is fake if it has the same photo or like a very, very professional photo. Like if a purse is on a mannequin, or if a purse is under, you know, like a ring light with like, you can just tell, okay? You can tell if the photo is real or if it's fake. If it's on a person's bedding or something like that, it'll look real. That's pretty much a real review. But if you see just like overly professionally taken photos of an item, you know that it's fake. That's not a real review at all. So be careful for that. Watch out for that. Tip number 5. Okay, I know this is something that not a lot of people actually talk about in their how to shop on DHgate videos, but this is something that helped me in the past before I was able to download the app on my phone. When I was still using the web version of DHgate, was having to find the items. So I used to go on Google, and if I was looking for a certain item, say I was looking for a Louis Vuitton Felicie pochette, that's like, I'm surrounded by these. I have like literally 3 of these around me because I just filmed a DHgate haul. So I have 3 of these just on my bed. So that's all I can think about right now is the Felicie pochette. So if you were looking for a Felicie pochette, say, and you go into Google, you type DHgate Felicie pochette, you will come up with a lot of listings. Again, take my advice, do the same thing, do your research and look at people's reviews before purchasing the item. But that is an easier way to kind of locate things, especially if you are using the website versus the app. So it's kind of a little bit easier to just Google Louis Vuitton Felicie pochette DHgate. You'll see ads, you'll see photos of it, so it's a little bit easier to find in that sense if you really just don't want to download the DHgate app. But I still highly recommend that you download the DHgate app. Okay, I think this is tip number 6. I don't know, I'm not keeping count anymore. So when you are on the DHgate app, again, say you're looking for a Louis Vuitton Felicie pochette, you're not gonna type the brand name, you are gonna type the style name. So you're gonna type Felicie pochette or just Felicie. Keep it simple, just type the name of the item, don't type the brand name, and you'll be able to find a ton of listings with the bag on it. Also, the more you use the DHgate app, the more it suggests certain things and the more you are able to find different things that you might be looking for. Let's say you are looking for a Felicie pochette, you find one, you add it to your wish list, you go back to the home page and you scroll down, and it's kind of like discover more things based on the stuff that's in your wish list or stuff that you searched for. So you can find other styles from there, like maybe you're looking for a zippy wallet, that might pop up there as well. So the more you use the app, the more kind of the DHgate algorithm works in your favor a little bit and suggests items that are based on things that are in your wish list. So again, still do the same thing. Do your research on the item first, look at reviews, look at photos and everything, and you're good to go. Okay, my next tip is shopping through YouTubers' links and that type of thing. Okay, so there's a few YouTubers that I have watched. Philosophy, I really like her. And Marta Adams, I watch her videos all the time as well. They post links outside of YouTube, you know what I mean? Like if you like a certain thing from their video, I know Marta posts them on like Google Documents or something like that, and you can kind of look for the items on there based on their video. So that's nice. I do the same thing. I do it on Linktree. So I have noticed that certain YouTubers that have the affiliate links from DHgate, not all of them, like I said, I mentioned 2 of them that I watch all the time and their links are always accurate and on point, which is awesome. But I have found other YouTubers that just want to make a quick buck from you guys, and they use affiliate links, but they link a different item because it pays more, maybe, I'm not even sure. But I have noticed that with certain YouTubers, and I would click their link and it would be like lesser of a quality item than they showed in their video. And I think that's why, is because certain items on Dhgate affiliate, you can earn more money. I'm not like that. I want to show you guys the items that I have purchased because I don't want you guys to get scammed. I don't want you guys to get a completely different item than me. If you see something in my videos that you really liked and that you want for yourself, I want that same item for you. I don't care if my affiliate earnings will be less if I post the exact bag that I got versus a different bag that looks the same but is cheaper and less quality, but I earn more money. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? So I want you guys to have the good quality items. That's why I spend hours on Dhgate looking for certain things, is because I want the best quality item for myself and I want the best quality item for you. So make sure when you are shopping from people's Dhgate links that you are shopping for the exact item that is in their video and not a cheaper version, something that is not great quality. So be careful with people's links, just saying. And I think that's really all I want to touch on in this video. I might make a part 2 of this because I feel like the tips for shopping on Dhgate are kind of endless, and I kind of learn new things every single time I shop on Dhgate as far as what to look for from certain sellers. There's one more thing I want to touch on before I leave you guys for today, is that please don't shop for links that are posted under other YouTubers' videos. So if another YouTuber is not linking the item themselves, if it's just a comment, I have purchased these same bags that are better quality from this website. You can see links on every single YouTuber that has done Dhgate videos. You can see that people like spam their videos with comments. At least that's what happens to me, and that's what I've seen on other people's videos. They take you to just this weird random website that sells bags. I don't recommend shopping from there unless a YouTuber is specifically linking it for you. I don't recommend, you know, just a random person commenting on your comment saying, oh, shop from my website, I have better quality bags than this. Like, don't do that. Don't get scammed, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much my Dhgate guide part 1, because I'm sure I'm gonna do a part 2 in the future. I just have so many tips with shopping on Dhgate because I spend so much time on it. So that is pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.